Welcome to today's episode. Today we'll be replacing a catalytic converter on a 2012 Honda Civic LX. And what I'm going to show you is how to do this with all these parts that I took off on the car, just to pinpoint what you got to do to take off shields and sensors. So stay tuned and learn how to replace your own cat on your own Civic. Okay, so you gotta disconnect the O2 sensor from right here. Take off those two bolts and this bolt right here. Also, when you have it out, we're gonna take out this bolt, top bolt, but I'll show you later. So after you take out this bolt, you disconnect the sensor too, which goes right here. And that one disconnects upwards. Remove this sensor here. There's two nuts here. There's one nut, one bolt, and right there it's another bolt. It goes from the bottom up. So I'm gonna get started. So remove the shield. Like I said, 3 bolts, comes right out. Then it exposes the other 2 nuts and 2 bolts to get the cat off the engine. Now we gotta remove the bottom exhaust part first, so that we can get that out later. I'm soaking it up right now with PV Blaster, so hopefully it comes out good. All right, next we're gonna remove the O2 sensor. So that's the top one. The bottom one too. This one came out messed up because it's too old. So Sony gave me a hard time. So probably have to replace this sensor. Alright, so they're not coming out, we're gonna use some heat. Alright, now I'm gonna heat up this nut right here and the one on the other side. Those are the ones that hold the exhaust to the manifold, to the cat manifold, whatever you want to call it. And then you want to remove them from the bottom. So I'm gonna heat up the top nut right here on each side and then pop it out from the bottom. Next, so I guess I'm gonna heat up the top, take these off. Alright, so as you can see, we're smoking still. Got the bolt out, both bolts out on this side and the one off of that side. So now our exhaust came off and it's loose. So now what we got left is popping these two at the bottom and these two up top. These two and these two. So do that next. Alright, so with these nuts and bolts removed, everything disconnected, all you gotta do is pop it out like this, get it down off of this pipe down here. And I think I'm gonna have to remove the AGR valve over here because this pipe's on the way. So that's the next step. I missed that one. Number 12, so this should come out pretty easy. Pipe comes off. This pipe is connected. I can reuse the gasket because it's reusable. So now it should just slide up. And there's your cap. You take it off from the top. Alright, so comparing the cats, this one looks more sturdy on this side than this one. The metal is thicker. I just got to swap over the metal shield from there to here. So we're gonna heat up a few points and get it out. I might just cut, you can just cut them off, and you can just use new bolts to bolt this up to here. But I like to do it the right way. I'm gonna heat them up, take them out. All right, so I took the shield off and we can't use it because this one doesn't have the bolted points on the mounting points on the side, and they don't line up here. So you can see if you put it on there, it'll block the other one. So no good, but we're gonna still put this on. This has its own shield, I saw, so we don't have to really worry about that other shield. So I'm gonna continue with the install. You gotta make sure you clean off all the bad stuff. I've started cleaning it off already, but clean all that off so you have a good seal. Clean all that off on that piece right there, and also clean off your pipes, the pipe that you're gonna put on the new stuff, the old stuff, so they can mount right with the new stuff. We cleaned off all the dirty parts, made them fresh. Now let's install it. Everything came out pretty good. Put everything back on, torqued everything, and I just got to bolt up the exhaust in the bottom, and that's the last step. But that's how you install the you take off and install a catalytic converter on a 2013 Honda Civic. This one got a front end damage, so we're fixing it. It's actually for my dad. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.